Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily delete temporary files on Windows 11. Now, very important thing, if this video will be helpful, what you can do is write down below in comments that it helped you. For other people, when they would come here, they were like, okay, I can watch it and it's going to be helpful. So this is pretty straightforward video. Go on the bottom next to the start and click search. Then now just write here temp. And it's going to open your file folder. You need to add a percentage here, and it's going to open you this file here. And what you actually need to do is actually just everything, and you just have to delete it. Like you see right here, local temp, and I have everything here. So I will just come here and click delete. And skip what can be deleted. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.